Granite, limestone, marble. I like natural stone. I have stone throughout my decor, like countertops, tile, and even accent pieces. But pieces made from natural stone can be pricey, so it is nice to have faux options. I'm on it, and in this video, I'm going to create a faux marble effect with nail polish. There are two things I want to marbleize. The first one is something I bought. It's this candle holder from the Dollar Tree. The base is already white, so it just needs some marbling. Marbling. That sounds like marble and bling, like a mashup of marble and bling. How appropriate. Marbling. The second is something I'm going to make. I saw this fun geometric shape at HomeSense. Now, it wasn't expensive, but it was something I thought would be fun to make. So I picked up 2 packs of these foam dice at the Dollar Tree. And my first step is to sand the edges, just to soften them out a little. The edges are sanded, so now I just have to glue it all together. Around the edges, I'm going to put E6000 because it's a permanent glue. But it takes some time to set, so I'll add a dot of hot glue in the middle. The hot glue will set almost immediately and will hold the blocks together while the E6000 sets. I have my shape, and it turned out exactly like the one at HomeSense. Now all I have to do is spray paint it white. This little guy's done. I do have to say, it was much more work than I expected. It took so many coats of spray paint that I totally lost track. But I'm ready to marbleize now. Here's my bucket of warm tap water. It's warm for 2 reasons. 1, warm water is just nicer to handle, and 2, the warm water gives you just a little more working time with this project. Oddly, the nail polish dries much more quicker when doing this project than when you paint your nails. More signs that I just don't understand. For the candlestick holder, I'm using 4 different colors. There's 2 grays, a pink, and a taupe. Get yourself ready by taking the lids off all the nail polishes. I guess you can shake them first. Pour small droplets of each color into the water. Try to go as quick as you can. Now, stir just a little bit with your stir stick. I'm using a toothpick. Dip the candle holder straight into the water and pull it straight out. That's it. Set it aside to dry. Pretty much just the water needs to dry off. If you have a little blob like that, that will stay a blob. You need to break that up, but this one's already set. So before you do your dipping, make sure you don't have any blobs, any flat circles. Now to clean up is pretty easy. You just kind of run around and you'll pick up all the set nail polish. And so you can reuse the same water bucket several times for your nail polish. And see, that's how it just kind of clumps together. You just throw that out. Let's try that again, but now with this. And this time I'm only going to be using grays and a little bit of white. I don't know if the white's going to do anything, but I thought it might, if it goes over one of the gray colors, it'll give just like another layer of marbling. I'm just going to try it out. So we're going to let everything dry and then see how it turned out. How fun and simple. It's just nail polish and water. I did this one off camera and I just used one color, just the gray that I used on the other ones. And even using one color gives you a really cool marble effect. Any polish will work. I've used good nail polish, old nail polish, polish from the dollar store. It all works. So next time, instead of throwing out your nail polish, upcycle it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it inspired you a bit to go and be creative. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! This is how some of them do it. They go like this, and then... Well, mine never goes black. I don't know, how do you do that? You still see my hand. I don't know, I'm turning it off now.